lake, coloring books. Relax and paint the stress away. So today I have another coloring book app for you guys. So I can choose different designs right now and I see which one I like. So let's try this one. That looks nice. Let's try this one. So apparently you have 5-piece tool which you can use to color your drawing. Tap to change the color intensity. Okay, that's easy. Already, I like this color. Now I can choose my tools. Let's choose this one. And I can actually feel the area that I highlight. Let's change the color. Oh, that's cool. You can go back to the previously color. Can I? Oh, that's really nice. You can just drag your finger and it changes it. So let's choose something else. Let's see. Let's use this. And I'm gonna go with a smaller brush. Oh, that's cool. You can see the effect already. Let me choose something else. I gotta change the brush size because otherwise we're gonna sit here forever. Okay, that's kinda cool what it does. What else we can do? Okay, we have our eraser. And then let's see. Is this eraser? What is this? Oh no, I was erasing it. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna fill my sky with blue. Oh, let's see. With this blue color. Nice. Maybe something lighter. No, not that. Maybe, how about this? Okay. So as you see, it's such a good, fantastic app. You can actually start drawing however you like it. And after you're done, you can save it or to add to the gallery or send it to your friend. Let's try something else. How about this? I'm gonna just spray. Oh, that's really cool. Look at that. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, no. Undo. Okay. Let's see. And then choose my color. Maybe something like that. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, no. That's horrible. So, I hope you guys download this app and give it a go. The app already has lots of nice template for you to start with, or you can also start from scratch, and do your own drawing. So definitely try it and have so much fun. Paint your stress away.